Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. Today, we'll show you how you can turn a Notion page into a stunning, structured presentation in just a few clicks. Let's dive into it. To begin, you'll need to make your Notion page accessible for Gamma to import it. Open your Notion page. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select the Publish tab and click on Publish. Finally, copy your public Notion URL. Now, from your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI. There are 3 main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and importing a file or URL. Let's choose Import File or URL and paste your public Notion page link. Then click Continue. Once your Notion page is imported, Gamma scans it to extract the content and turn it into an outline. Here, in the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI distribute the content across the presentation automatically, or Card by Card to manually assign specific text to each card. Additionally, add, remove, or rearrange cards. Define your audience, tone, and language. Enhance your presentation with visuals by uploading your own images, sourcing them from the web, or generating illustrations using AI. Once your structure looks good, click Continue. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about design. Make your presentations look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand to your presentation, you can create and apply a custom theme using your colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you've selected the perfect theme, click Generate and watch your presentation come to life in seconds. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can keep customizing your presentation by adding more components, like text layouts, images, videos, and interactive elements. If you want to make edits almost as fast as you think, use Gamma's AI to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content and visuals instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about AI editing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Once your presentation is ready, share it your way. Present directly in Gamma with interactive features and presenter notes. Share it with anyone via link. No Gamma account needed. Export as PDF for offline use, PowerPoint or Google Slides for further editing, PNG images for posting on social media, or publish directly to LinkedIn from Gamma. You can even select specific slides to export, giving you precise control over what you share. And that's it. With Gamma, you can transform plain Notion pages into polished and professional presentations instantly. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas into the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.